guys are having a great day today. Today's a beautiful day around where I am, so that's pretty awesome. But let's just get right into the video. You already know what it's gonna be. You already know. You already know. Ooh, it's a new box subscription. It's a new Boxy Charm. It's a new box subscription. It's a new Boxy Charm. You know what it is. You know what it is. Oh. Boxy Charm. I have never had a Boxy Charm. This is the first time I've ever opening one, so we're both in for a treat. I already have makeup on because I know like a lot of people do the unboxing and they're doing their makeup, but they use everything in the box, but we'll see about that. I probably will try to use a little something or maybe, but we'll see. Oh my goodness. First of all, it came like this, like Epsy, or no, excuse me, not Epsy, but Birchbox. It comes, I'll show you it. It's right here. This, and like it in the mail. And this one comes like this. This is so like sleeker and cute, but like, you know, it's gonna be like nice in there. This is just good job, Boxy Charm, for that. You get a +1 for that. But let's get into it. Oh, I kind of want scissors or something like. I don't know why, but every time I need something, it's in the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Okay, but let's open this up. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, excited. Excited. It's cracked open. Oh my goodness. It makes you so happy when you look at it. Like, goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. It's so cute in here. Look at this. Like, they just even have it all like set up all nice and like cute and dainty and everything's organized. Like, they get points for this. Everything is organized. It's so cute. Like, it's so adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see what we got here though. So we have a volumizing mascara. That's definitely needed. Let's see what's in it though. This is by Bella Pierre. Oops, is there an easier side to open? Yes, there always is an easier side to open. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, the packaging is so cute. Like, goodness gracious, like this looks so nice. Okay, I can dig it. I can definitely dig it. Look at the brush. Like, you can definitely get some use in there. You can get some lash curlage in there. Thank you very much. That's nice. Okay, let's see what this little guy is. Look at this. So this is a Make Them Blush. It's a blush. It's so cute. First of all, the packaging is so freaking adorable. I cannot. It's all gold, like shiny gold. Like, this makes you want to use it. Like, I don't even wear blush, but I'm gonna start using this blush. But let me do a little swatch for you guys. Oh dang, that's pink. See that? That there? That's pink. So I don't know if I'll really be using that, but maybe as a eyeshadow or something. But this is so cute, and this is by Pretty Vulgar. And let's see. Okay, so we got some little under eye gel mask, or I'm sorry, gel strips. Yeah, but it says it's from South Maine, and it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. That's cool. And I just recently got some lip strips like these ones, and in my lip monthly. Yeah, that's what it was. I was super excited about those two, so I'm super excited about these. And let's see. Okay, and we also have some brushes here, which is like definitely plug because I needed some brushes and I didn't get any so this is good. This is very nice. Both sides are sealed, but I'm gonna open it so you guys can see. And they're eyeshadow brushes by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. It says a smoky eye brush set for the money. For the money, for the shadow, go girl, go. That's cute. Alright. This one I don't think I'll be able to actually cut because it's so little. But there we go. That one came off easy. So that's nice. Okay. Oh, they're so cute. Look at this. And you get 3. Wow, okay. These are definitely a need. Do you see this? Like, you're getting in everywhere you need to get with these ankles. Like, yes. Thank you very much. Very polite-ish. They're getting very many points right now for Boxycharm. Too many points. Okay, and I'm seeing something nice and big at the bottom here. Okay. So we got some sort of palette here. This is already joyful for me. Oh, it's in a little sleeve. And oh, it's so cute. It's by Boxycharm. How cute. It says purr. Okay, let's get it out of the baggie. That's why you can use a whole bunch of these products on your face when you first get it. Okay, so let's see what this is about. What the heck? Oh. It is so, like, sealed tight. Alright, so let's see what this is. Oh, this is nice. Look at this palette here. Look at that there. Do we see all these cute colors? We're gonna definitely use some of these colors for you today because they really set us up well. And I think I have another brush for the actually I don't, because I'm not gonna use that brush for that. But so I'm definitely gonna use, I think, this one, this color right here for like the base of my eye. This is so cute. I cannot deal with it. And this color is just so like goals. Oh yeah, so cute. I'm gonna put it underneath my eye too. You know what I'm saying? They're trying to set the people up really nice today. Like Boxycharm is a definite winner. Yes, boo. Okay, what else we gonna use? Use this black here. This one. That's black as heck. Look at that. It's a dark. Alright, so now we're gonna have to fluff this out a little bit. This is super cute AF though, like seriously. Just gonna get in there like so, you know, get a little bit of blending going in. Now I think we're good. So I'm gonna get a little demonstration on this cute little palette here. Alright, and we're gonna go in with the mascara, you know what I'm saying? Give it a little tap there. Use this here again. Ooh-wee. Yes, baby. So Boxy Charm, definite must, definite need. Let me go ahead and try to set this up again. I'm gonna give you a little card and a demonstration of all the prices of everything. And so the palette is $36, and the volumizing mascara is $20. The under eye gel is $10. The smoky eye makeup brush set is $23, and the Make Them blush is $26. So that is cool. Definitely enjoying Boxy Charm. Good job, Boxy Charm. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.